Alrighty, so we flipped this really nice milk. Sadly, it's in shed. Real bummer. It'd be a really good one out of shed. And oh yeah, hey, we have Nate here.
Hey.
Lean's at the car because we've been photographing this for a minute, which we found directly after we just flipped this milk. Probably about 80 hours, 80 plus. And finally, it all paid off. Look at that. It's an absolute screamer too. Good grief. Couldn't ask for anything more.
Lamp squared.
Lamp squared, brother.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get these guys released here. See if you'll go for us. There you go. Here we go. Perfect. Dude, that is just incredible. Black king snakes really do not get any better than that. Oh my gosh. The yellows, I mean, come on, it's almost green. Very nice. Well, we're gonna get this guy back under its rock, flipped under this big honker.